Future- Hello, future developers. Welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson. So let's get started. Okay, so let's preview this. Okay, so we preview it. This how it looks, and then we'll go back. So we are left with about 3 screens. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate this. Control D, Control D, 3. Okay, and then we only have to change the colors. Okay. So since I'm playing, if you look at our project here, you can see I'm playing with the colors and then the floating action button here, and that's of the navigation menus here or icons here. So you can see when it's on this screen, we have it being horizontal. On the next screen, the other shape here changes to horizontal, similarly to this and then to this. Okay, so let's do that now. So I'm going to have to change these things. Then I'll move this here. But even this is going to take time. Okay, so what I'll just do is let me just delete it, and then let me go for the project here so that we build quicker. So I'm just going to multi-select this while holding on the shift key. So for you, what you do is with the horizontal this shape here. Okay, I use the line tool, and then I set it property. Okay, so it's property to 29, right, and then 24, and then the y was 770. Okay, and then the color is white, so the rest I use the ellipse to get them. So let me group this, and then Control C, Control V. Okay, sorry, I should have rather used this one. Okay, so let me rather this. Okay, select this, then so let me group it. Control G, Control C, Control V. Then I'm going to move it to this screen. Okay, and then I'll do same for the third and then the fourth screen. Okay, so you can see that I'm done. So when it's on this screen, we have this horizontal. On this screen, we have this part horizontal, this, and then the final one. Okay, just to help the user know that you've navigated through the various screens. And then what next to do is you can decide to change the text. Okay, so um, just because of time, I'm not going to change the text. Okay, I'm just going to change the Lottie animations here. So already you already know how to do that with Lottie. So I'm just copy this, delete this, then bring this here. Okay. Then right click, send to back. Okay. For me, I have to send to back because I already have it copied. So send to back. Then I'm going to do same for this. I'll delete this, bring it here. Because I've already resized it, I don't need to resize it again. That's why it fits perfectly on the screen. Okay, you can use the scaling tool, but since this is white and then that place is white, I'll just leave it that way. Okay, and then finally the last screen, this one, Control C, Control V. I'll bring it here. And then I'm going to send to back. Okay, now we'll play with the colors. Okay, so the color here should be this color and then this. So let's see. Okay, so green. I'm going to change the color So my fill color for this is going to be green. Okay. And I'll change the background color to this color. Okay, and I'll do same for this one. Okay. And then since this is green, or the formula of green, I'm going to change this particular text. So this color. Okay. And then I'll do same for this. So this is going for this color. And then red or okay. It's red. So it's okay. Let's use red. Or let's use the usually if you let me double click and then it will work. Okay. Then I also have to double click. Okay. And then I'll change the floating action button to red. Let's use this color instead. This. Okay, this is cool. Then I'll have to change this color to let's say the same red or maroon kind of color. Let me just pick this color. Then we'll do that for we'll do that for this screen. So it's supposed to be the red. Just this. It looks pink red kind of color. Then I'm going to change this fruit. I had to stop the video and just show you how to just so we don't waste time. So you can see I just changed the color here, and then this color also match. So I think that should be it for our projects. The only thing we have to do is to just change the text. Okay, so it's information we are trying to let the user know about what the app can do. So we need to change the text here. Okay, so that will be an assignment or something for you to try. Okay, as you see here, I have my change. Okay, so this um, onboarding particular screen tells the user you can get real-time insight from our data from this app. You can get marketing automation. You can get it's easy as pie, like the process, and then you can tweak your results powered by AI. Okay, so let's preview this and let me see if you preview it here. Then close this and then I'll preview it again. So it's taking some time to load. Okay, so you can see on this screen we have it's the horizontal icon here. Okay, to help us know the screen we are. Then on this screen, okay, so thank you.